guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super beautiful Alpine stitch. Okay, so this is episode 1 of my A to Z crochet series, and I think this Alpine stitch looks really beautiful. You can use it for scarves, blankets, and sweaters or cardigans, so that's why I chose this for my very first episode. So yeah, let's get on with it, okay? So for the supplies, you will need a 4mm crochet hook, a darning needle, some yarn. You can use any type of yarn and any color yarn you want. It's totally up to you because I'm just showing you how to make this stitch, okay? So first we're going to make something known as a slip knot. So we're going to hold the yarn, we're going to loop it around our pinky like so, okay, and over our index. Okay, and then we take our 4mm crochet hook and then we pull and twist the yarn. Then we keep our index finger over there on the loop, okay, and then using our thumb finger and middle finger, make a small gap to that loop, okay, and then we yarn over and we pull through that gap. And we pull on the tail end to tighten our slip knot. So now we are going to chain. So to chain, we are going to go in front and behind our yarn, okay, yarn over and pull through, okay. So that V you see, that is our first chain stitch. Again, yarn over and pull through, and that is our second. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, until you have an even number of chains. Okay, so now I have 18 chains. So basically for the Alpine stitch, you need an odd number of stitches. So that is why we chain an even number. So we skip the first and we go into the second chain, okay? So as you can see, this is our 18th chain, the one we made, and we are going to skip that and go into the second one, okay? Because the first chain is just a chain for the height of our stitch, okay? So in total we'll have 17 stitches. Okay, so we're going to go into the second chain from the hook, then we yarn over, pull out, and then we'll have 2 loops. So we yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Now that is known as a single crochet. So now you can see a V on the top, and that is our stitch. That shows that we have made 1 stitch. Okay, again we go into the next chain right there, and then yarn over, pull out, and then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Okay, again we have another V that shows our second stitch. Again we go in, yarn over, pull out, and yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Okay, and we're going to do this through the end of the chain. Okay, so now I'm done with all my single crochets like that, and now we are going to chain 2 because we're making a longer stitch and that needs a chain 2 height. Okay, and then we're going to turn our work like that. Now as you can see, I'm going to skip the first 2 chains you made because that's just for the height of our stitch. And then we're going to go into this stitch, into the very first single crochet we made. So we yarn over before inserting, then we insert into that stitch, then we yarn over and pull out of the stitch. Okay, then we have 3 loops this time, so we yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and then we yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Okay, that is known as a double crochet. Okay, you can see that that is the double crochet. Again, we yarn over, go into the next V, then we yarn over, pull out of that V, and then we yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Okay, just pull through those 2 loops. That is a double crochet. Okay, again go in, yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull out, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. That is our double crochet, and we're going to repeat this till the end of our row. Okay, so now I have made all the double crochets. As you can see, this last stitch, when I was a beginner, I used to miss this stitch and it would create uneven edges for me. So this also is a stitch. This is actually our 17th double crochet, so we're going to go in there and do our final double crochet. okay, to make sure our edges are even. Okay, so now we're done with our double crochets like that. Then we're going to chain 1 this time, okay, and then we're going to repeat the single crochets. Okay, so we're going to skip that chain 1 we made, skip that, and then we go into the first stitch and we make single crochets. Okay, we're going to do it till the end of the row. So now I'm done with all my single crochets, and now here's where the real fun happens. Okay, so now we're going to chain 2 this time because we're going to be doing double crochets. And now, as you can see from our previous row, we have 2 chains. Okay, 2 chains we've made right there. And then we have our double crochet after that. Okay, this is our double crochet after those 2 chains. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over and we're going to go behind that double crochet like that. Okay, behind and come out from behind. Okay, like that. Okay, so we're going to yarn over and pull the loop upwards to match the height of our other 2 loops. And then we yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops and yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Okay, and that is known as a front post double crochet. Okay, so now since we did a front post double crochet, we're going to skip the first V over here because we didn't work into that. We worked into the post instead. Okay, so we're going to yarn over, skip that, and into the next V, we make a normal double crochet. Okay, so this time we're using the V. Okay, and since we worked into the V's, we're going to skip that post we made over there, the next post, like the double crochet we have. Then we yarn over and go into the next post after that post. Okay, then we make another front post double crochet. So go behind that stitch, yarn over, and then pull through the 2 loops and pull through the next 2 loops. Again, since we made a front post, we are going to skip that V, then go into the next V, and we are going to make a normal double crochet. Okay, so for our first round, we are basically alternating between a normal double crochet and a front post double crochet. Okay, so as you can see, the pattern has already started to form, and we are going to work into that front post now. Okay, we're going to go in, yarn over, pull out, and then we pull the loop upward and yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the next 2 loops. Okay, so we're just going to continue this again. So we're going to skip the V over there since we made a front post, and we're going to work a normal double crochet into the next stitch. I'm going to continue this till the end of the row. Okay, so now I'm done. Oh, well, almost done. And we have 3 stitches left, so I'll show you. Again, we're going to make our final front post right there. Okay, so we yarn over, pull out, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then we yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Okay, and now we have 2 stitches left. So for the second last stitch, we're going to obviously make a normal double crochet. Okay, and then for the final stitch, we are not going to make a front post, because if we make a front post at the end of our stitch, it's going to become an uneven edge. So for every other row, we'll have 2 double crochets at the end. Okay, and once we are done with this row, we are going to chain 1 and then we make our single crochets again. Okay, so now I'm done with my single crochets, and I will show you how to do the next row. And we are going to chain 2 again. Okay, and this time we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to alternate it. So this round we already have a front post instead of a chain 2. Okay, so wherever we have a front post, we are going to make a normal double crochet into that first stitch. Okay, we're just going to do the opposite. So now we make a normal double crochet for the first stitch. Now the next stitch you can see is a normal double crochet, not the front post we made. So we're going to make a front post right there. We're going to go behind that normal double crochet and we use that to make a front post. So wherever there is a double crochet, we're going to make a front post, and wherever there is a front post, we are going to make a normal double crochet. Again, we skip that next V and then we go into the next one. Okay, as you can see, that front post is there, so we made a normal double crochet on the top. Okay, and now there's a normal double crochet from the previous row, so we are going to make a front post there. Okay, so we're just repeating the opposite of the previous row. Okay, again, there's a front post there, so we skip the V there and we go into that V and make a normal double crochet. Okay, and we're going to do this till the end of our row. Okay, so wherever there's a front post, we make a normal double crochet, and wherever there's a normal double crochet, we make a front post. Okay, so now I'm done. I have last stitch left, so I'm going to make one double crochet. Okay, and then I'm going to make a front post. Okay, and then I'm going to make another double crochet. So for this round, we have just one double crochet at the end of our row. Okay, so like I told you, every other row is going to have 2 double crochets and every other row is going to have 1 double crochet. Okay, so it's every other row, as you can see, like that over there. Okay, so the previous row had 2 double crochets and this one has 1. Okay, so we're going to chain 1 and we are going to continue our single crochet. Okay, so now I'm done with my single crochets, as you can see, and now we have our chain 2 space again. Okay, the chain 2 we made. So we're going to yarn over and go to the very first double crochet after that chain 2. Okay, so we're going to yarn over, go in, go behind, and yarn over, pull out, and yarn over, pull through the first 2 and next 2 loops. Okay, so what I want to show you over here is the very first Alpine pattern we made, we had a chain 2. Okay, and then we had a front post, so we just made 1 double crochet, and then again for this row we have a chain 2 again. So every other row we have a chain 2. Okay, and for the next row we're going to make, we'll again have to make just 1 double crochet because we'll have a front post. Okay, again, like the same, we have 2 double crochets for our very first Alpine pattern, 1 double crochet for the pattern after that, and we'll have 2 more double crochets after that. Okay, so again we're going to yarn over and we're going to skip that V and go to the next V and make a normal double crochet because we have a front post there. Okay, so now as you can see at the end I have to make 2 double crochets. Okay, right there we have to make 2 double crochets because it's that row. Okay, so for the next row we'll make 1, and then for the next row we'll make 2 more double crochets. Okay, so as you can see, the pattern is coming along really well. You can see it looks really beautiful. Okay, and I'm just going to do 1 more row of single crochet to finish it off, and then I'll meet you to weave in the ends. Okay, so now I'm done with my single crochet. So to fasten off, we chain 1 and we're going to cut our yarn, and then we are going to pull our yarn through. Okay, that's all. Now I'll show you how to weave in. Okay, so we're going to take our darning needle and then we are going to thread our yarn through. Okay, and then we're just going to go through any loops we find. Okay, the double crochet loops or the single crochet loops, any of the loops you can find. Just gonna go through them. Okay, make sure your darning needle doesn't show through both ends, and since this is just a swatch, I'm not doing a very thorough weaving in because it's just a swatch. But if you're making a blanket or a sweater, you want to make sure that you're weaving in nice and well. Okay, making sure it's concealed, going through different directions and different loops. So I think that's enough for me. So I'm just going to cut the yarn off. Make sure it's not too close that you cut your stitch. Okay, and I'm just going to weave in the other end. Okay, but I think, yeah, that's it. And I think this stitch looks really beautiful. I hope you found this video really informative and really helpful. And if you want to see more videos of new stitches or new crochet projects, please subscribe to my channel. So bye guys! If you liked this video, try checking these two out. I'm pretty sure you'll like them too.